This feels weird, but it's probably normal.
Ever wake up after drinking and feel like your head is under construction? Like someone left a hammer inside your skull overnight? That's not bad luck. That's not karma. That's biology being petty. Alcohol dehydrates your body, and your brain really hates being dehydrated. So it complains loudly and repeatedly. Alcohol also messes with your sleep. Even if you think you slept fine, it lowers your blood sugar, and it widens blood vessels in your brain, which is a fancy way of saying, congratulations, you unlocked a headache. Basically, alcohol throws a party in your body and leaves without cleaning anything up. Now, let's talk about what actually helps. Not myths, not vibes, real things. First, water. And no, one glass doesn't count. Your body needs time and fluids to recover. Second, electrolytes, because water alone sometimes is enough. And coffee is not an electrolyte. Coffee is just coffee pretending to be helpful. Third, eat real food. Before drinking and after drinking, your brain runs on glucose. Starving it is not a strategy. And finally, sleep. Actual sleep. Not passing out. Not scrolling until your eyes give up. Real rest. Now, what does not help? More alcohol. Drinking on an empty stomach. And pretending coffee is medicine. Your body isn't mad at you. It's not judging your life choices. It's just saying, hey, next time, maybe don't do this to me. That's what's happening. And yes, it's probably normal.